Hi, hi, hi.
Hello.
Look this fruits like automobiles, hardware like that stuff. Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to see the market here. It's called Malatia Market and it also called as Bangladesh Market. I'll show you how it looks. The whole thing from here to there up there. This line is full is a market. Hey guys, this market is separated with like fruits and vegetables. They are separated a section, and the others. There are many sections in this market. I'll show you. The first one is the fruits and these vegetables. The market, how it looks. It's in Arawan, Armenia. Okay, I'm just trying to get in. We'll find some way. Okay, I got the entrance of this market. This is the entrance of the market, and there are many shops here. This is a complete section of like vegetables and fruits. This is dry fruits and things. So this market is so long up to there, and it's full of like these things, vegetables and the food things. We will just take a look at this section, and we will go to the section where they sell clothes and other electronic things like that. Look, this fruits. This market is full of crowd. The same market was there in Ukraine, same thing. It's called Barabashova. I couldn't make any video of that, but now it's gone. Now they're picking up the country like little by little. Their buses started moving, and I don't know. They're trying to improve now. I wish they could improve it. This is the complete vegetables and fruits things market. This is whole section. We'll go back and we'll go to the other section also. Actually, we need to find an exit from here. You can buy like wholesale things here. It's like cheap and wholesale. You can get anything. Here not much to see. It's just vegetables and the other like rice things. I'll take exit from here and we'll find the way to the other section. Actually, I don't think we have a way here to go. I just need to find the cross. This cross is in front of me. I need to walk back because this is a separate section. In Ukraine, the market was not in like section wise. It was like completely whole market. but this the fruits and vegetable section is separated from the road, and the other things and stuff they are separated in the other side. You just walk there to the cross and zebra cross so that I can cross the road to the other side. Let's go. Okay. Someone said that there is a meat section. I didn't see any meat section. Maybe it's there. I don't know. Maybe this is the meat section. Maybe I don't think. No. We'll cross the road now. From here the shop starts. The full line is the shops. These two streets, it's complete of clothes, shoes, and some other stuffs like that. I don't know what is this. I think it's juice or something. I don't want to try it. This is the buildings. They are building for the shops. From there, everything is a clothes shop. I just change over that side so that I can show you the shops. Because that side they are building the new shops, they're not occupied still. From here the shop starts. These are all shops, everything, cloth shops like that. Let's go. This we need to go still down and enter into market. Just open thing, the shoes and things. Let's go down, still down. Let's go down. So hot today. It's because of adapting to this temperature, it feels so hot. Because every time it will be like cold. Hi.
Hello.
Lavish. Like the guy was saying, how you? Okay, this complete side. This is not the main, but kind of. It's outer. We need like we entered into the vegetables and the stuff market. The same here. There is a entrance to this market, the clothing shop market. It's down. It's too down. This Armenia is an hilly region. Every streets are like up, down, like that things. We are just entering into the section the electronics, like mechanic things and the car stuffs, like that. You just see that this or like car and mechanic things here. This place, everything. Pints, tattoos, the horn, like automobiles, the car seats, hardwares, like that stuff. Hello. The people are saying hello to the camera. I don't think this is much bigger. This is just of everything. It's that's it. It's everything is hardware and the car does things. That's it. We go out and we go to the other section, the clothes on the shoes, like that things. You can find hardware, lights, like that. There are things called lights, so the lights which you fix into your house, you can find that also here. We'll just shift to the other side from here. Okay, we're just entering to the other section of the market. These are the things which you use for your kitchen, like that stuff. You can get for the less amount. As so, you go straight. I don't think there's everything. This whole section is about the market, and I think we can take shift that side. We just try that side. We go. Look, it's everything. I will take the other exit. Look, the TVs, vacuum cleaner, and other stuff like that. There's a money exchange inside here. This full shop is all about this utensils and other stuffs which you use for the kitchen. And you can find laptops also. It's good. I don't know about the rate, but it's good. Fridge. It's all the household equipments which you find here. It's great. Look at the TVs and everything here. That side is the same section which we went. From here it's the clothing section. It starts. I don't think we enter here. We just go and take a look, and we entered the main side. This is the screen inside. Only screens and things. People are looking at me like, how how they see phones. That's cool. No, like people are looking like, what the hell is doing? I'm just doing the video, dude. And some people are so nice. They are saying hello to the camera and the things that I'll just look at this market and we'll move on. Just